Understanding the causes of tire wear, a comprehensive guide. Tire wear is a natural and expected part of using your vehicle, but excessive or uneven wear can indicate underlying issues that need attention. So, before starting the video, please like this video. Do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. Tire wear is an inevitable consequence of driving your vehicle, but it's important to understand the factors that contribute to it. Whether you're a seasoned driver or a new car owner, comprehending the reasons behind tire wear can help you prolong their lifespan, save money, and ensure your safety on the road. 1. Tread depth and its importance. Tire wear primarily manifests as a reduction in tread depth. Tread is the pattern of grooves on the tire's surface that provides traction. Over time and as you accumulate miles, the tread on your tires gradually wears down. Maintaining an adequate tread depth is essential for safe driving. When the tread depth becomes too shallow, your tires lose their ability to grip the road effectively. This can result in reduced handling, longer stopping distances, and an increased risk of hydroplaning on wet surfaces. To gauge your tire's tread depth, you can use a tread depth gauge or simply perform the penny test. Insert a penny into the tread with Lincoln's head facing down. If you can see all of Lincoln's head, it's time to replace your tires. 2. Alignment issues. Proper wheel alignment is crucial for even tire wear. Wheel alignment refers to the angle at which the wheels are set relative to the vehicle's frame and road surface. Incorrect alignment can cause your tires to wear unevenly, resulting in issues such as camber. This refers to the inward or outward tilt of the wheels when viewed from the front. Improper camber can lead to wear on one side of the tire's tread. Caster. Caster angle involves the front-to-back tilt of the wheel axis. Incorrect caster can affect steering stability and lead to uneven tire wear. Toe. Toe alignment concerns whether the wheels point inward or outward when viewed from above. Misaligned toe can cause feathering wear patterns on the tires. Regular wheel alignment checks and adjustments, as recommended by your vehicle's manufacturer, can help prevent uneven tire wear due to alignment issues. 3. Balancing problems. Balancing your tires ensures even weight distribution across the wheel and tire assembly. When a tire is unbalanced, it may have a heavier side, leading to vibrations and uneven tire wear. Common signs of unbalanced tires include steering wheel vibrations at certain speeds. Regular tire balancing, especially when installing new tires, or if you experience unusual vibrations, can extend tire life and improve ride comfort. 4. Over/under-inflation. Maintaining the correct tire pressure is essential for optimal tire wear and vehicle performance. Overinflated tires can result in excessive wear at the center of the tread, while underinflated tires wear more at the edges. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommended tire pressure, and check your tire pressure regularly to ensure it remains within the specified range. 5. Driving habits and road conditions. Your driving habits play a significant role in tire wear. Aggressive driving, including hard braking, rapid acceleration, and sharp turns, can accelerate tire wear. To prolong the life of your tires, practice smooth and cautious driving. Road conditions also impact tire wear. Rough roads, potholes, and debris can cause premature tire wear. Being attentive to road conditions and avoiding hazards whenever possible can help protect your tires. 6. Improper tire rotation. Regular tire rotation is essential to ensure even wear on all tires. Failing to rotate your tires can result in uneven wear patterns. Consult your vehicle's owner's manual for the recommended tire rotation schedule, typically ranging from every 6,000 to 8,000 miles. 7. Wheel imbalance. A wheel that is imbalanced can lead to uneven tire wear. It occurs when the weight distribution of the wheel and tire assembly is uneven. If you experience vibrations at certain speeds, it's a sign that your wheels may be imbalanced. 8. Tire quality and construction. The quality and construction of the tire itself influence wear patterns. High-quality tires with durable materials tend to last longer than cheaper, low-quality options. When choosing tires, consider factors like tread wear ratings and performance characteristics to find the right tires for your driving needs. 9. Excessive load and overloading. Overloading your vehicle or carrying heavy loads can put extra stress on your tires, causing them to wear out faster. Be mindful of your vehicle's weight limits and avoid exceeding them. 10. Proper tire storage. Even when not in use, Tires can age and deteriorate if stored improperly. Avoid leaving them exposed to direct sunlight or extreme temperatures. Tires should be stored in a cool, dry place and protected from moisture and UV rays. 11. Tire age. Tire wear is not solely about tread depth. Even if a tire has sufficient tread, it can still become unsafe due to age. Tires degrade over time, and most experts recommend replacing them every 6 to 10 years, regardless of their tread depth. In conclusion, understanding the causes of tire wear is essential for maintaining your vehicle's safety, performance, and longevity. Additionally, practicing safe and responsible driving habits, choosing high-quality tires, and being attentive to road conditions can contribute to prolonged tire life, saving you money and ensuring a safer driving experience. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.